Hello, my name is Matt Shapleski. I'm the service manager with Russ Darrow Mazda. I'm talking to you today about batteries and how to maintain your battery and the best way to have your vehicle continue to run. If you have issues with your battery, we need to get your car in here so we can actually look at it, see what's going on, see if it's actually a battery issue or if it's something else related to the vehicle. One of the things that we should do every month is do a load test on your battery. The biggest thing is going to be your cold cranking amps, and that's what's going to help your battery start in these cold months that are going to be coming to us, which we all definitely do not like. The other thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at your voltage on the battery. Make sure that your connectors are all nice and tight, no corrosion is starting to come in through, or any other leaks possible that's in the battery. Again, we need to get your car here just to look at your battery and make sure that everything is operating how it should. We do that every time you come in for service. And if you want to come in any other time, we can definitely get that taken care of for you and looked at for you. Again, come see us over here at Russ Darrow Mazda. The address is 3520 South 108th Street.